Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined.
What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am SinisterTheZ. If you're new here, gonna be a couple little pauses in here. Finally, we finally have a nice day to take a quick little stroll. We're working on a project right now. Got the Harley all torn apart, putting a whole new I had a stereo put in, and the shop that did the stereo, I'm not going to name their name or exactly or anything like that, but they kind of suck. It all worked, it sounded great, but they mounted my amp in a really crappy spot and not where they're supposed to be on Harleys. So I'm fixing that, and while I was in there I figured I'd put in an aftermarket deck. So we're going to do that and see how she sounds. So we're on the Gixxer, headed to the store. I need to go get a part, a little piece, so I can finish up mounting the amp and that install. But other than that, it is finally a day that we can ride. No rain today, no rain tomorrow in the forecast. Thank God. It's beautiful out. A little windy, but it's beautiful. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Hi. Hello. Oh, so in the last video, when I put this nice new helmet together, by the way, I put a new visor on it, and I don't know if you can see that in the mirror, but my beautiful woman, she bought me the fire orange mirrored, and it looks good. I was quite surprised. I like it. So back to what I was saying, in the last video I said that had some big updates coming. We had some news and some changes and just some different things going on with the channel. So first and foremost, when I first started this channel, I had the idea to start it, and I was going to do it kind of by myself, but a good friend of mine, he was staying with me, he rode with me, as you know him as Lightweight. We decided, hey, well, we ride together all the time, let's do this together. And then we also added our buddy Ghost, because he rode with us too, worked with us, and he moved away due to work. Lightweight worked for me and lived with me, so he goes with me from job site to job site. So he was still around, but that's why we decided to call it the Tales of Infidels, because we were either all in the military, or Justin is the son of military family, so it kind of fit, and it was kind of a group thing. Now, as I said, Ghost, he has already been gone for a little bit, as you know, but now Lightweight is also gone, so it's just me. Lightweight has moved home to be with his daughter, which you can't fault the guy. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do for family. Family always comes first. I'm lucky, my family comes with me. I got my babies, I got my amazing woman who supports me. They're already with me here, so can't fault the guy. But in saying that, now I am by myself. So since this was started as a group thing and we named it as such, still small enough of a channel, still don't have enough videos or big enough followers out there for this to really make too much of a difference. But those of you who do follow, those of you who do actually stick around, who I must say thank you. You guys are the real MVPs. But so I'm gonna change the channel name, and you know, some of the stuff has already been since day one listed as SinisterTheZ, because that has been my handle since years ago, and I will always go by that. So we're going to change the channel name from the Tales of Infidels to I think we're going to call it just SinisterTheZ Rides, and or just SinisterTheZ, because we'll probably do some other things than just purely moto vlogging. Not fully decided yet, but we'll see. Either way, look for that after this video goes up. I'd say within 24 to 48 hours the channel name will change. It will be SinisterTheZ, so look for that. As of as far as Twitter and Instagram goes, those will also Twitter is already SinisterTheZ. You can already find me on the Instagram via using @SinisterTheZ, but it will also have a full name change too. That's probably one of the biggest part of this updates. One of the other updates, like I was talking about, we moved. We're no longer in Northern California. We're actually back in SoCal. My company moved me down here to run a big project for a city, and so we will be in Southern California for a while, and not too bad. Beautiful riding weather now that or it should be, you know, it never rains in California, but it's been raining for days here. So finally got a break in this rain. Finally got some warmer weather. The rain brought some cold, but it's all good. So for those of you that have been here since day one, thank you. For the few new subscribers over the last month or so, welcome. Whether you know it is Tales of Infidels, welcome to the new SinisterTheZ channel. I appreciate you. I like the fact that you come and hang out and watch my videos. It means the world to me. Go ahead, go down in the comments. Tell me something you want to see. Tell me something you want me to talk about. I look forward to hearing from y'all. So I'm excited. I'm excited to keep growing. Oh. Oh man, every time you pass this place, man, there's a barbecue joint right across the road from Lowe's. Every time I come to Lowe's, you catch a whiff of that smoker. Oh man, brings out my inner fat kid. Just makes me want to go eat. Give me a minute, I'll be right back, and I will share the last large piece of the updates. All right. We are back. Oh, so the last major update. If you didn't realize, I'm on a bike that is familiar to the channel. It was a lightweight's bike. When he decided to move, I decided I'd help him out. I bought his bike off him. So got some plans for it. We're order up some new plastics, but first I just got in new tuner with quick shift. So we're gonna finish up the Harley, get it rocking, get it all put back together, and then we're going to get started on the GSXR 1000. You can get it lined out and get it tuned up and moving a little faster with some quick shift. Be pretty sweet. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I have to leave California. So used to splitting lanes now, it's like second nature. So yeah, as I said earlier, comment down below. Give me an idea. Something you want to see. Maybe something you want to know about. I don't really want to do it. I'm not big enough for really a Q&A. That's kind of goofy, but you know, still want to provide content that you know you want to see, not just me riding around ranting and raving. All right, well, I think I'm gonna hit the highway up, head to Mexico for a minute. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to come watch little old me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. And we will catch you in the next one. Later.